Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Nano Dimension. Nano Dimension, is it a buying opportunity right now at $2.70? I have to say no. I say it can go, the stock price can go lower. I don't know how much lower, but I believe that the stock price will go lower. So I'm not buying. Right now, if you are buying, you are trying to catch a falling knife. Like the best time if you were to buy it is if the MACD goes below the line. If the MACD goes below here, and then it starts to form an uptrend, then I would say yes, buy. But right now, it looks like it's a falling knife. It literally looks like a falling knife. So I would stay away from it. But hey, this is not financial advice. And, I could totally be wrong. And tomorrow we could see this thing pop back up to, I don't know, $3 or something. I don't know. At the end of the day, this is just my personal opinion and from a charting perspective. So you can do whatever you want. It's your life. It's your money. Even though ARK is buying a ton of shares, they have almost 2 million shares right now. It doesn't matter. I think the stock price is going to head down lower. So, if you want to, this is just my personal opinion, but if you do have shares, you could gamble. This is only gambling, and this is only my opinion. You could sell. Gamble that the stock price is heading down lower, buy at a lower price, and then hope the stock pops to the upside. And you can be looking at green instead of looking at red for weeks and weeks and weeks. Or you can just average down. I don't like averaging down. I like to sell and then rebuy. It's actually better than averaging down, in my opinion. But I think you can't do that if you are planning to write it off as a tax write-off. I don't think you can do that. But if you're not planning to write it off as tax losses, I think you can do that. I'm not 100% positive on this, but hey, that's just my opinion. Tesla is down $383.63. This is another reason why ARK is heavily invested in Tesla, but rich people are not pumping up Tesla, and Tesla looks super bearish right now. The MACD is falling. Death cross is happening. There's no support line. There's no 50-day moving average bounce. There's nothing. There's no support line for Tesla stock right now. It looks like it's going to fall. Death cross looks like it's happening. Tesla hasn't had a death cross in such a long time. It's having a death cross right now. Death cross happened right here. What happened? Tesla stock fell. Boom. And then bull crash happened right here. What happened? Tesla stock ran for the next 6 months. So what could be is the death cross could happen, and then the Tesla stock could just run down and down and down. Maybe at $200, it'll start bouncing back. I have a lot of cash right now. I think the market is going to crash. I'm going to camp Tesla and I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy a lot of shares of Tesla when I see a good appropriate price for the Tesla stock. The SPY right now is, looking extremely bearish. It's gone down to, like I said, I said that the stock market would break $322.64. It's super close to that. It's $324.42. Monday is definitely going to be a red day. Tuesday is probably going to be a red day. Wednesday is the official day. If Donald Trump wins, I think the market is going to bounce back. If Biden wins, I think the market's going to fall further until we get a stimulus deal passed, and then the market will bounce back. That's my opinion. We'll see what happens. The market right now is red. There's just sales everywhere. GameStop, a stock that I'm bullish on. Now I'm beg holding on this stock. Down to $10.58. I did reduce my position by a lot. I took a lot of profits, but I'm still beg holding this stock. And you know, this is also another company I want to buy into. Will this thing hit $4? I don't know. I don't think so. I think the worst case scenario, this stock hits $6. So I don't make a video about GameStop because they don't do very well. There's not a lot of retail investors interested. But I think at $6, I think it's a really good opportunity to buy into the stock. But GameStop looks like it's downtrending. It looks really bad right now. NIO stock is also NIO is holding up very well, which I'm surprised. I'm really shocked that NIO is holding up very well in this crisis. Big money don't want to sell off the NIO. Solo disclosure, I did sell off a lot of my Solo position. Actually, I sold off all my Solo position. I'm gambling that Solo is going to go down lower. I'm gambling that the market is going to take down Solo. I could be wrong. Solo could come out with some big news tomorrow or next day or next week, and it could skyrocket. Google McDougal is the only thing that's green right now, up $62.41. Facebook is down $19.36, even with amazing earnings yesterday. Very Good Butchers is holding up very good right now. I'm surprised at this, probably because of all the YouTube coverage that's been happening, and the fact that there's a lot of shareholders that are refusing to sell their stock, like me. I'm not selling my Very Good Butchers. I'm only planning to add more, but I want to see the price go back down to $1.50 in order for me to add around below $2. I would definitely add on to my position. Beyond Meat is down right now, $8.51. Beyond Meat looks really tasty too, but I think it's gonna head down further. Amazon is down $184. Apple is down $6.98. Solo, no, I'm not talking about Solo. Intel is a little red today, but Intel's gone down quite a bit already. AMD is down $3.56, even though AMD is a really solid company. Some people might call it overvalued. That's fine, but I think it will grow into its valuation eventually. But AMD just had a solid earnings report, and the market is selling it off, and that's just the reality of it. Aurora had some news today, and Aurora is holding its $4, which is super shocking to me. Maybe it has something to do with Canopy. I have no idea why Aurora is even holding its stock price, but it's still downtrending from a charting perspective. So I don't know. I'm still extremely bearish on Aurora, but big money doesn't want to sell this off, so whatever. Canopy Growth is down 15 cents. I will be making another video on Aurora. Canopy is down 15 cents. Cron is down 30 cents. MedMen is trading sideways. Liberal Health Science is trading sideways. Cineplex Odeon, I'm shocked that this stock is not crashing any further. High Tide is trading sideways. I don't think High Tide is going to be affected by a stock market crash. Why? Because it's already such a cheap company that nobody really wants to sell it. Nobody really wants to buy it. Kira today is green, which is kind of shocking. True ETH today is green, which is kind of shocking. People are thinking that Biden will legalize MJ if he becomes president. So that's why maybe people are not selling off those, I would call them slightly bubble-ish companies, but hey, you know what, whatever, that's just the reality of it. Harv is also green today. No, it's trading sideways. Cresco Labs is a little red today, but you know, still holding up very good. The Planet 13 stock is only down 2%. Anyway, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.